Hi, my people. I'm still back again, guys. I don't carry matter when strong, matter when not they let they talk, matter when they go they ask God why this thing happen, why so this thing occur. Okay, guys, may we go settle the matter, may we go talk the matter. Okay, my people, may we talk the story now, may we talk the issue as the matter dey here now. So when I see this picture, so this brother where put himself, they say na romance for happen for camp, say they deny am documents 3 times. Now they deny am documents. Okay, now he go put himself, say they deny am documents. Why some Africa they behave like this? It no make sense now. As you put yourself now, wetin you gain? You no get anything. First of all, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Okay, this thing na wetin dey pain well. Some dey this Europe, this countryside, for good 10 years, they never get document and they not move themselves. You understand? So why you can't do this kind of thing? Because say they deny you document, you go take your life. This thing when you do so, God go forgive you. You know wait and your time when God go take call you before you go, you just use your hand to kill yourself. And not be only this brother do this thing again. You get one certain time when they deny one guy again, one Nigerian guy document, he go carry himself put for mat of train. Now so train take move am again. Why all those things they happen? Why? As they give you, not be say you don't finish forever. As they give you that the 3 times deny, you go deny that 3 times deny. When they deny you document, you will still continue, you will start afresh. One day that document they keep am, they keep am, they still they watch you. As they deny you that 3 times, they still they watch you. One day they will call you, can't take your document. We know they use your document till they do anything. We keep am for you. We just they cook am for them. It just they done for them. Not be the one where you go kill yourself. Because this thing no make sense. This thing a very painful thing. How you go kill yourself? Why? And then for the background, so I beg men are not come for me. Wait till I come here for the background of the video. So when the camera come they talk say they value black life, they do this one. May we reason am again. For this country when we do so, nobody invite us come. Understand? So as the situation be, now our leaders now we supposed to face, because the way when they take care of us, take us for granted, they just destroy some people future, their life. Now wetin make some enter route, enter cross water, they can't come this road and they can't answer us, they can't answer us, they can't give some house, they provide food, even if say na 5 naira, because our people, when our leaders, I know if say people, our leaders when they back home, so they know if you do that kind of thing. Give us when be citizen, they give us food, they give us pocket money, they give us this one, they know if you do am. May we still appreciate, because all those people now, they still they try their best. They try the best. Because the brother, nobody send am make he go poof himself. We know say we value life. We value black life. Yes, we value am, but they not cost wetin that brother take kill himself. I know say some people for this Europe, many people don't frustrate. Some they sleep for a train station because of the countryside, because it's not easy. Everybody with his whole head, everybody carry your own cross. You understand? So everybody they find the way when you go take survive. I know say some don't still hold ground though. They're supposed to they support their fellow black. You understand so? But they still reason as they take hustle, as they take suffer. Now it makes some will not blame them, some still they secure the one when they hold because the countryside is not easy. All this problem now, all this problem when they happen, now our leaders fought. Now our leaders fought. And they still, all those people still get me card, they still get soft hearts, they still they give some document, they deny some. You understand so? Mo will just take them easy. This brother na he cause wetin I don't know whether na in clear eye whether may God na he go intervene for them. Na God, only God. So in case others when they will deny document again, they still go try this thing. I bet me na they try this kind of thing again. Even he said the country now, he don't tire now, he don't frustrate some he don't frustrate some. I beg, instead when you go take care yourself, I beg go meet them for Questura, go meet them, tell them say, I beg, may na help me, I won't go back to my country. I don't tire. Since when I come here, I not make am, I not see say my life better. And understand me so. I beg me na deport me. And I go still go check home, whether home and this place, which one better. If na home or if na house, na God for open your way, na there your destiny dey, you go still know. Not be the one when you go take your hand, take kill yourself. Me na not they try this kind of thing. You know good. Yeah, tire you. Carry your load. No be by force. Me na not they beat them again, say, ona be wicked somebody, ona be this one. No. Because all those things when they happen to black, different country, now our leaders, now they frustrate some people's life. Now they I don't know. They just destroy people's destiny. Everybody just they find your own way, how you want to make it. If they, I don't know, if they do that country well, no black go travel, no black go live in your country. Everybody go to do business for your own side, for that country. So all those white people, they not cause problem. For you, they not do us anything at all. They not cause our rain when they beat Nigeria. No, they not cause an our leaders. Now make them see us finish in anywhere when we go. Now our leaders, African leaders. Okay, me will just take them easy to them. Me will not they insult them again. Now they sell us, you know. Okay, guys, my people. Ma leave on for here. Okay, guys, thank you guys, thank you for watching me, guys. I beg, may I share my video, share. Okay, thank you. I so much appreciate you all people when they share, when they like, they comment, all of you. I love you guys. Okay, guys, bye.